Wondering where your AWS budget is going? In this video, I will guide you through AWS Cost Explorer, your secret weapon to understanding cloud costs, identifying trends, and cutting unnecessary expenses. Take control on your AWS spending today. So when you are logged in onto your AWS account, just type Cost Explorer so you can explore your cost, like which services, which regions are charging you. So here you will see the graph. You can see different graphs based on the charts based on your needs. And then here if you see like how many services are being running in your AWS, okay, and what is the total cost of a month. So if I go and if I have to choose service, like mostly I use EC2. So if I search EC2 apply, and I will see like what was the cost of EC2 in my account, and then based on different like region, which region was used. So if you want to check about the region, if I enter US West, it will be I think California region, this one. So if I have to apply, so then I can see the cost based on the region, and you can see different colors like which services is charging you what. It's a best practice. Like if you're using, you must analyze, you must explore the cost, like which services are using. Sometimes we create a service but we are not using since 2 months 3 months, but service is running behind. So we have to check, we have every month we have to explore and which service is costing us more and how we can optimize it. There's a multiple ways to optimize the cost easily. And also I would also recommend you, if you want to start with the AWS, you must also do one thing. You have to use AWS Pricing Calculator. Before you want to create any service, just open your pricing calculator, and when you open the calculator, you can estimate the cost, like which service will cost you. So suppose if I want to see test before discounts, okay, and here you can add services, like a new service. I want to choose account, and I want to choose a region. I can choose, suppose, any region and choose the service. So if I search a service like EC2, and then I want to create a new usage group, I can just create a new one, test. Next, okay, we want to choose Amazon EC2, okay, and we have to choose which instances. Mostly we use shared instances, and based on Linux, Ubuntu, which we want to use. So I want to choose Ubuntu, and instance family, I want to use T2 or T3, and instance type, it can be large, medium. So number of instances 1, okay. Usage per amount, because it's based on hourly if we are using shared instances. And yeah, I think here we go. And next we can see the the storage, which is the EBS 30 GB, and if we scroll down we will be able to see the cost. Okay, so we have to save the changes, and then we will be able to see the cost. So we have to tell the location, like I want to go with Asia Pacific. Okay, location should be from internet, and here you can see configuration is not completed yet. We have to do one more thing. We have to check storage EC2. So which storage type you want to use, SSD GP2, which is a general storage type. And then I think we can try to save changes now. So when the changes are saved, and then I will be able to see here, if you see $67 will be charged by EC2, and this will be the EBS storage charges will be $3 something. So you can see estimated cost will be $71 per month. So it's easy to check the usage, what will be the estimated workloads It's best to summarize the cost before you create any resources. I hope this video is helpful, and tell me what is your best strategy, how you explore the cost on AWS, and how you save your high bills, how you manage your bills on AWS. Ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, you can share it with your colleagues who are also struggling with your AWS cost. I will see you in my next video.